Hey everybody, how's it going? So yesterday I posted a video on how I built my header box for my sluice box. It's recirculating, you can use year round. Um, but I wanted to show a video on what it's producing, how much gold it's producing, and also how well the blue bolt concentrator is working with it. But we'll do a quick one here, and you can see I threw a little bit of fines in there just to see, and you can see it's pulling the grains out really well, and it's all connected with the same system that I showed, and the sluice is doing excellent still as well. So here is so now I only filled maybe half of this bin with the material that I found that I classified, and just from that, without microfines or anything, I've already pulled out that much gold just from that spot. And this was a test spot as well. This wasn't a spot that I figured I knew it could be there, but it's looking great, so you can know that I'm gonna be back up there, that's for sure. So but it's working really well. But basically wanted to show what it's producing after yesterday's video, and more to come. So hope you all enjoy it, and we'll talk soon. Thank you.